I'll be showing you how to add or remove icons in the control center of your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Now, this is new with iOS 18 and it also works with older iPhones, but for this tutorial, I'll be using the iPhone 16 Pro Max to show you this. So what you need to do is simply open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and long press an empty space on the control center. And now, as you can see, the icons are movable. Okay, so to remove an icon from the control center, just tap on this little dash in the top left corner of every icon. There's a little minus sign, so just tap on it and that icon gets removed. To add an icon, just tap on add a control, and then that's going to open the controls menu. You can select any control you want. For instance, if you want this one, just tap on it and it's going to get added to the control center. And then now you can tap another empty space and that's it. So that is basically how to remove and also how to add controls to the control center of your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.